Hello students, I'm teacher Hanan. I miss you so much. Today we will talk about addition in page 7. So open your book with me at page 7. We're going to talk about adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. What's the meaning of two-digit numbers? This is a two-digit number. It is a number containing two digits, ones and tens. With regrouping, we're going to make adding. Look at the steps. We have 27 plus 56. This is an adding problem. The first step is line up the digits. As you can see, the ones over each other in the red color. These are the ones. And line up the tens over each other. As you can see, the blue colors. So this is step number 1. Line up the digits. This is an important step, students. Line up the digits. 2. Add the ones. Then we're going to start adding the ones. Be careful, students. Don't add the tens first. Some students do like this, but it's totally wrong. You should start adding from the ones. From here, the red color. 7, we say 7 plus 6. Look, we can read this plus. 7 plus 6 equal, excellent, 13. 13. Look what we should do. Put 3 here and the 1, don't put it here. Carry 1 over the tens. Carry 1 over the tens. When we carry 1 over the tens, this step is called regroup. This step called regroup. This is the meaning of regrouping. When we put or when we carry 1 over the tens. The fourth step is add the tens. When we go ahead and add the tens, look, we have 1 plus 2 is excellent, 3. 3 plus 5 is good job, 8. So put the number here. Look, down the tens. So the answer is, can you read it, students? Excellent, 83. 83. Good job. So, again, we are talking about addition. And when do I regroup? As I mentioned before, what the meaning of regroup? When I put or when we carry over the tens, this is the regroup. Look at the ones place. If we have a problem like this problem, 44 plus 28. The first step is looking at the ones place. These are the ones. Look, the 4 and 8 are the ones, right? And ask yourself, students, is the sum less than 9? The sum is the answer of addition. The sum is the answer of addition, okay? Look, these are the ones. 4 plus 8 is equal, excellent, 12. 12. So, is the sum less than 9? Of course, no. Because 12 is greater than 9. I'm talking about the ones. Be careful. So, if the sum of the ones is more than 9, so give 10 to the tens place. What the meaning of give 10 is add 1 to the tens. Look, it means we should carry 1 over the tens, then we can add the tens. Look, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer is 72. 72. We're still in page 7. We're going to practice another 3 problems, addition problems. Look at the question. Adding 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Yes. So the question is find the sum. Look, the sum is the addition, okay? And exactly the meaning of the sum is the answer of the addition. This is the answer, right? So this is the sum. When I ask you find the sum, it means you should make an add or addition. You should add the numbers together or make an addition problem. Okay? So look, we have 44 plus 36. 44 plus 36. Read this like plus, okay? Okay, and this is the equal. This is the equal, okay? The first step, as I mentioned before, in this slide, line up the digits, then add the ones, right? So the first step is, look, line up the digits. They are lined up like this. The ones over each other and the tens are over each other. This step is so important. The second step is add the ones. Start from the ones, not from the tens. Look, go ahead. 4 plus 6. Excellent. Is 10. Look, put 0 here and carry 1 over the tens. Carry 1 over the tens. Then the final step is add the tens. Look, 1 plus 4 is 5, of course. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer or the sum is 80. 80. Excellent. Another example. Okay, can you read this number? Excellent. 43. Again, this number. Good job. 51. Plus 18. Please, students, pay attention to this number. This is 18, not 80. Okay? Okay. The first step, line up the digits. Line up the digits. Look, all the ones over each other and all the tens like a straight line. Okay? Then we're going to go ahead and the ones. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is, good job, 12. 12. So we're going to put 2 here and carry 1 over the tens. Carry 1 over the tens. Then go ahead and add the tens. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. And put 11 here. Of course, we can put the whole 11 here because there is no another digit here. Excellent. So the sum, this is the answer of the addition problem. This is the sum. The sum is 112. 112. Okay. Another example, students. 32 plus 58. Again, we line up the digits, then add the ones. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Carry 1 over the tens. Then go ahead and add the tens. 1 plus 3 is 4 is 4, sorry. 4 plus 5 is 9. So the sum or the answer is excellent, 90. 90. Addition page 7. We still at page 7. Okay. There's a question in your book. Write the correct number in the box. Write the correct number in the box. Okay, we have a problem. 30 something. We don't know what is the number here. Plus 39 is equal something 4. Think. What are these numbers? Look at me, students. About how can we find the numbers? The first step is go ahead and start from the ones. Pay attention, students. Don't start with the tens. It's wrong. Start with the ones. Look, we have here 9 and 4, right? Okay, there are two ways to know the answer. Okay, so is it possible, I want to ask you, is it possible to add any number to the 9 and it will give me 4? Of course not. There is no number. Okay, can I add it to the 9 and give me 4? Because the 9 should be bigger, okay, after adding a number. So this is not a real 4. This number is 14. This number is 14. Yeah, this is not a real 4. This is a 14. So I'm gonna open the box, and you should put here 1. So yes. So then ask yourself, what is the number here? If I add it to the 9, give me 14. If you cannot do it mentally, okay, there's a simpler way to find the answer. Look, you can subtract 14. This is not a real 4, I said. This is 14. 14 minus 9. Go ahead and subtract. 14 minus 9. What is the answer? Excellent. It is 5. Excellent. So the answer here is 5. I'm going to go and check my answer. 5 plus 9 is 14. So my answer is correct, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and add the tens. Look, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is, good job, excellent, you are super smart, 7. So the answer is 7. So 35 plus 39 is equal 74. Got it? Good. This is another question at the same page. We're still at page 7. Yes. There are hidden numbers here. We're gonna know what are these numbers. Okay? 57 plus 20 something equal something for. Listen, think. Excellent. The first thing, ask yourself, it is possible to add 7 here to number and give me 4? No, of course. So this is not a real 4. This is 14. This is not 4. This is 14. This is 14. Excellent. Then ask yourself. 7 plus what? Give me 14. Excellent. Excellent. Another way. You can do 14. Look, 14 is 14 minus what? 7. 14 minus 7 is, good job, 7. So put here 7. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the tens. Look, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is, excellent, 8, sorry. This is 8. Excellent. So the answer is 84. Let's go and check the answer. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is equal 8. So the answer here is 84. 84. Excellent, students. Now move to page 8. Okay, adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So this is much easier, yeah, because there is no need to regroup. What the meaning of without regrouping? Means that the sum of the ones is less or equal to 9. So there is no need to regroup. What the meaning of all these things? Let's discuss this example. Look, 236 plus 513. Pay attention, series again. This is 13, not 30. Okay, we're gonna add 236 plus 513. Okay, the first thing we should look. These are the steps. Line up the digits. Look, the digits lined up. The ones as a straight line, then the tens, then the hundreds. Then add the ones. Start from the ones, not from the tens, like most people, like most students do. So go ahead and add the ones. 6 plus 3 is, good job, 9. So look, this is the sum of the ones, 9. 9 is equal to 9, right? So there is no need to regroup. No need to regroup. So simple. Then go and add the tens. 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 5 is 7. So simple. So the answer is, can you read it? Excellent. 749. 749. Good job. Adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. Okay. We're gonna take another example. 124 plus 531. First, add the ones. 4 plus 1 is excellent, 5. Go ahead and add the tens. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Look, here is 5, which is less than 9, so there is no need to regroup. So the answer is, excellent, 655. 655. Good job. Okay, now adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping again. Okay, if the problem here, like this in horizontal line, okay, the best way is to make it vertical. It means if we add 256 plus 421, make it like this. It's much easier, okay? So it is easier. So put the two numbers and line up the digits. Line up the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds. Then begin to add and start adding from the ones. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ones. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 2 is, excellent, 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. Good job. So the answer is, excellent, 677. 677. So simple. Now I will give you a homework on page 8. You can see this problem. Actually these are two problems. These two problems are homework to do at your home. Okay, let's move to page 9. We're going to talk about adding 3-digit numbers or regrouping. The same concept, students, the same thing. But now we're going to talk about 3 digits. The steps: 1, line up the digits, add the ones, then 3, add 1 to the tens, which means to regroup if needed. 4, add the tens, regroup if needed, and 5, add the hundreds. With the meaning of all these things, don't be sad because I'm so fast. Let's take an example. It's so simple. Look, adding 3-digit numbers. Look, 3-digit. This number is a 3-digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. We're gonna add 2 numbers. Each number is 3-digit. Okay, 3-digit. With regrouping. With the meaning of regrouping, let's go ahead. Look, the first step, as usual, line up the digits. Again, line up the digits. Look, the ones over each other. Then the tens, then the hundreds. Look, they are straight line, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the ones. Start from the ones, not from the tens. You will make a disaster if you start from the hundreds or the tens. Okay, so 9 plus 3. What is the answer? Good job, excellent. 12. Look, put 2 here and carry 1 over the tens. Look, this is a 1. We carry the 1 over the tens. So when we carry 1 over the tens, this is a regroup. This is the word, regrouping. Okay, this is the regroup. Then add the tens. 1 plus 2 is, of course, 3. 3 plus 8 Excellent. 11. 11. And look, put 1 here and carry 1 over the 100. Carry 1 over the 100, then add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the answer. The answer is 512. 512. Look, I'm focusing on reading the numbers. Another example, 350. 3 plus, can you read it alone? Yes. Good job. 575. 575. Add, look, before adding, line up the digits, then add the ones. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here no need to regroup because 8 is less than 9, right? No need to regroup. Then add the tens. 5 plus 7 is 12. Look, 12, put the 2 here and carry 1 over the hundreds. Don't put the 1 here. Carry 1 over the hundreds. 1 plus 3 is, excellent, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Excellent. Please read this number alone. High five. Excellent. 928. 928. Excellent. Okay, we're still on page 9 and adding 3-digit numbers with regrouping. We're still at the same topic. We have another example, 608 plus 415 equal what? So now this problem, the same like these problems, the same, but here look, it's a horizontal line. Look, it's so simple. I'll write the steps here for you. The first step is add the ones. Look, go ahead and add the ones. Okay, if you don't want to make it vertical, you can do it like this. The first step is add the ones. Look, where is the ones here in this number? Excellent, the 5. Where is the ones here? Excellent, it is the 8. So the first step, add the ones. Again, don't add the tens or the hundreds now. Start with the ones. So again, 5, sorry, I'm going to start from here. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equal 13. Put 3 here and carry 1 over the tens. Look, carry 1 over the tens. I'm talking about the first number. Pay attention. Don't put the 1 here. No, at the first number. Then we should add the tens. Look, ones first, then tens, then hundreds. Okay, add the tens. Where are the tens here? Excellent, the 0. Where is the tens here? Good job, the 1. So, look, 1 plus 0 is 0, 1. Sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Put the 2 here. Excellent. Now I'm going to add the hundreds. The last step is adding the hundreds. Where is the hundreds here? Yes, excellent. The 6 is the 100. Where is the hundreds here? Excellent. The 4. 4 is the 100. So go ahead and add the hundreds. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. The answer is 10. 10. So this is the answer of the addition problem. This is the sum. Again, this is the sum. Can you read it? Excellent. 1023. Again, 1023. Good job. I will give you a homework in page 7, students. Homework. This is a homework in page 7. This is the problem. Okay. I'm sorry, the homework at page 9. I'm sorry for that. This question in page 9, this is a homework. I'm sorry. Okay. There's a question on page 9, adding 3-digit numbers with regrouping. This is a problem, okay? Now, we have 455 plus number 70, number, I don't know what is it, equal 800, and here is a number and 3. We should know the numbers, okay? First, start from the ones. Start from the ones, okay? And go ahead. 5 plus what? Give me 3. It is possible to add a number to 5 and give me 3. No, it is not possible. So this is a not real 3. This is a, tell me. Excellent. Good job. This is a 13. This is a 13, not 3. 13. Because there is no number here, I can add it to the 5 and give me 3. Okay? Because the answer should be greater than 5. Good job. Then this is 13. Go ahead and subtract 13 minus 5. Look, put a row between these numbers and subtract 13. This is not 3, this is 13. 13 minus 5 is great. 8. Excellent. 8. So put 8 here. Look, and check your answer before go ahead. 5 plus 8 is 13. Excellent. Then add the tens. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is excellent. 13. 13. And carry 1 over the hundreds. Carry 1 over the hundreds. Then now we should guess what is the number is. The first step, add the 1 to the 4. It's so simple. 1 plus 4 is 5. Get it? Okay. So this is the answer. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then subtract the 8 minus 5. Subtract 8 minus 5 like we did here. We subtract the answer from this number. Okay. 8 minus subtract each two numbers, which is 5 minus 8 actually. 5 minus 8. 8 minus 5, which is, good job, 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer here is 3. So let's check our answer. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So our answer is correct. So the answer here is 833. 833. Excellent students, you are super excellent. Okay, it's your turn now, students. You should practice. So I will give you a homework in page 9. This question in page 9 is a homework, okay? And let's move to page 10, adding 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Students, the steps are the same, okay? Look, on the first line of the digits, then add the ones, the tens, the hundreds, then the thousands, okay? Look, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 6 is excellent. 7. 0 plus 8 plus 0 exactly is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is excellent. 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Look, first add the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, the last the thousands. So the answer is, read the number, 9,987. Excellent. The three numbers here are 4-digit numbers. Okay. We're still at page 9, students. Look, this is a tricky question. Okay, we have 3 4-digit numbers. Look, 3 numbers. Each number is a 4-digit number. So 3 4-digit numbers. There are hidden numbers here. Okay, it's supposed to be hidden. Yeah. So we're gonna guess what are these numbers in red, right? So the first thing, start with the ones. Okay, students. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So simple. So right here 7. Then move to the tens. 5. Look, there's no number here. Okay. 5 plus 0 is 5, right? What is the number if we add it to 5? Give me 5. It is 0. Excellent. Let's move to the hundreds. 2 plus 3 is 5. Add these two numbers to each other. 5. 5 plus what? Give me 9. It is the 4. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the thousands. What is the number here? Add it to 3. Give me 6. It is the 3. So 3,251 plus 2,304 plus 1,402 equal 6,957. Okay, these two numbers are homework to do at your home at page 10. This is actually page 10. Okay, this is page 10. This is a homework to practice at your home. All the problems are the same. Page 11, we're going to go ahead and discuss adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, the same concept, students, but now I will show you a word problem like this. I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you. The total number of visitors who visited the zoo last year was 1,367. 1,367. Okay, this year it was 1,435. Find the sum of visitors in both years. Find the sum of visitors in both years. Look, they said that the total number of visitors who visited the zoo last year was 1,367. This is last year. And this year, 1,435. Look, the question is, find the sum of visitors in both years. The sum here means you should add. So you should add these two numbers to each other because he asking about the visitors in both years. Last year and this year. Both. So we should add the two numbers to each other. So put the numbers like this, line up the digits, and start adding from the ones. As usual, 7 plus 5, excellent, is 12. And carry 1 over the tens. Then add the tens. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Good job. So put 0 here and carry 1 over the, excellent, the 100. Carry 1 over the 100. And then add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Good job. Then add the 1,000. 1 plus 1 is 2. Look, first add the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the 1,000. And here is a 12. 7 plus 5 is a 12. Write 2 here and carry 1 over the tens. Then add the tens, carry 1 over the hundreds. Add the hundreds, then add the thousands. So the answer here, read this number by yourself. Excellent. 2,802. 2,000, look, I'm starting reading from the thousand. 2,802 visitors. Okay. Students, there are at pages 12, 13, and 14 many problems in adding. The title at page 12 is Adding Practice. Actually, there are 3 pages. There are a lot of problems. All these pages are homework because you should practice all the adding problems by yourself. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy everything and understand everything. Thank you so much, and see you